Welcome to Tech Factory. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, electric vehicles, and futuristic technology that are changing the world. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join us as we explore the future of transportation and innovation. The Lockheed Ring Wing plane, a game changer in aviation. The Lockheed Ring Wing plane is truly one of a kind. Instead of the usual flat wings, it sports a unique ring-shaped wing that wraps 7.4 meters around and curves back to connect to the tail. This eye-catching design doesn't just look cool, it has real benefits. The ring wing helps the plane lift off more easily and makes it less sensitive to strong crosswinds. As a result, the plane uses less fuel and can land on shorter runways. Standing 23 meters tall, it's a striking example of how innovative design can lead to more efficient and versatile aircraft. This new design could change the way we think about flying and make air travel smarter and more efficient. Volocopter 2X, the future of urban air travel. The Volocopter 2X is an innovative electric aircraft set to transform city transportation. With 18 rotors, it can take off and land vertically, making it convenient and environmentally friendly. Designed for comfort and capable of autonomous flight, it's redefining how we think about flying. This advanced aircraft will help reduce traffic and pollution, offering new possibilities like aerial taxis, cargo delivery, and even emergency services like medical transport and search and rescue. Whether you're commuting across the city or responding to an urgent situation, the Volocopter 2X is paving the way for a cleaner, faster, and more efficient mode of travel. Electric flight is no longer a dream, it's here, and the Volocopter 2X is leading the charge into this exciting new future. ONE Electric VTOL, your personal flight experience. Discover the ONE Electric VTOL, a revolutionary aerial vehicle transforming personal aviation. Ideal for thrill seekers and tech lovers, this electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft lets you fly above traffic and explore the skies with total freedom. The ONE stands out with a top speed of 155 miles per hour and a range of up to 110 miles. Its advanced electric propulsion system powers 2 passengers, while its foldable wings make it easy to store at home or in a regular parking space, perfect for everyday use. Priced at around $150,000, the ONE combines luxury, performance, and practicality, offering you a taste of the future of personal flight. Experience the ultimate convenience and adventure in the skies with the ONE Electric VTOL. Jump Aero JA1, the future of air travel. The Jump Aero JA1 is an innovative electric aircraft that takes off and lands vertically, making it a game changer for emergency response and personal air travel. Its sleek, compact design means it can zip to urgent situations quickly and efficiently. Powered by a cutting-edge electric engine, the JA1 offers a quiet and emissions-free flight, ideal for bustling cities or remote areas. With easy-to-use controls and built-in safety features, it's designed for anyone to operate with confidence. The Jump Aero JA1 is set to revolutionize how we think about getting help fast, combining speed, reliability, and eco-friendliness into one amazing package. Jetoptera Wing. The Jetoptera Wing is an innovative concept that combines advanced propulsion with ground effect flight. This design enhances both efficiency and performance by taking advantage of unique aerodynamic principles. Ground effect flight works by staying close to the surface, just above water or land. This positioning creates increased lift and reduced drag. As a result, the vehicle uses less fuel while achieving higher speeds. At the heart of the Jetoptera Wing is the fluidic propulsion system. Unlike traditional engines, this system is quieter and more flexible. It delivers powerful thrust while maintaining a streamlined and efficient design. This concept is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. It's ideal for high-speed transportation over water, military operations, and cargo delivery. The Jetoptera Wing offers a futuristic approach to low-altitude travel. By merging advanced technology with natural aerodynamics, it paves the way for high-efficiency, high-performance transportation solutions. Icon A5, the ultimate amphibious aircraft for adventure. The Icon A5 is a cutting-edge amphibious aircraft built for adventure enthusiasts who crave the freedom of flight. With retractable landing gear and foldable wings, it effortlessly transitions between land and water, making it ideal for those who love exploring new places. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just getting started, the Icon A5 offers an easy and enjoyable flying experience. Its lightweight yet tough construction, paired with the powerful Rotax 912 engine, ensures reliable performance wherever you go. Designed for both style and function, the Icon A5 turns heads whether you're flying, landing on water, or cruising on land. Perfect for recreational flying, fishing trips, or simply enjoying the thrill of the sky, it opens up endless possibilities for adventure. The Icon A5 is truly the ultimate aircraft for flexible, fun-filled exploration. Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation, based in California, is developing an all-electric aircraft. This aircraft can take off and land vertically, making it suitable for commercial passenger use. Joby's design features 6 revolving propellers. It can fly 150 miles at a speed of 200 miles per hour, all while producing zero pollution and noise. The aircraft accommodates 4 passengers and 1 pilot. It meets the highest safety standards. To launch an air taxi service, Joby Aviation collaborates with Uber, Elevate, and other strategic partners. As a pioneer in advanced air mobility, Joby has been working on electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) technology for over 10 years. Big names like Toyota, Intel, JetBlue, and others have invested over $800 million in Joby. The company employs more than 1,400 engineers and experts. In August 2021, Joby Aviation went public. As of February 7, 2024, Joby shares are priced at $5.85, giving the company a market valuation of $4.08 billion. Joby plans to launch its air taxi service by 2024. This could revolutionize transportation in the 21st century. Leonardo AW609, the revolutionary tiltrotor aircraft. The Leonardo AW609 is a cutting-edge tiltrotor aircraft. It combines the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing airplane. This innovative aircraft is powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6C67A engines. It reaches a maximum cruise speed of 500 km per hour, 270 knots, and operates at altitudes of up to 25,000 feet. The AW609 offers an impressive range of 1,852 kilometers, 1,000 nautical miles, with auxiliary fuel tanks. Its pressurized cabin comfortably seats up to 9 passengers, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride at high altitudes. Advanced avionics enhance safety and efficiency. The aircraft features a triple redundant fly-by-wire system and Collins Aerospace ProLine Fusion displays, which reduce pilot workload and improve overall performance. Designed for versatility, the AW609 is perfect for various missions. It excels in roles such as VIP transport, medical evacuation, and search and rescue operations. The Leonardo AW609 is truly a groundbreaking achievement, setting a new standard for modern aviation by merging flexibility, speed, and efficiency. Doroni H1, the future of electric aerial travel. The Doroni H1 is a cutting-edge electric aircraft designed for vertical takeoff and landing, making it perfect for quick and efficient flights. It comfortably seats 2 passengers and stands out with its futuristic bubble-shaped cockpit, nestled between 2 sets of large wings, 1 set at the front and 1 at the back. Each wing features massive vertical lift propellers housed in sleek ducts, totaling 8 propellers in all. For forward movement, the H1 has 2 additional propellers dedicated to horizontal thrust. With a top speed of 140 miles per hour and a cruising speed of around 100 miles per hour, this aircraft can zip through the skies quickly. It offers a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short to mid-range trips. The H1 can carry up to 500 pounds of cargo and weighs about 930 pounds. Its blend of innovative design and functionality makes it a standout choice for modern aerial travel. Zeva Zero. The Zeva Zero is a groundbreaking personal electric aircraft. It's designed for vertical takeoff and landing, redefining how we think about personal transportation. With its compact, disc-like shape, the Zeva Zero is built for single-passenger flights. It offers an efficient and innovative way to travel short distances. The aircraft uses advanced electric propulsion, allowing it to take off and land vertically, just like a drone. This feature makes it ideal for use in urban areas or locations with limited space. Its sleek, futuristic design stands out. The zero-emission operation makes it a sustainable choice, aligning with the future of eco-friendly urban mobility. Zeva envisions a world where air travel is accessible to individuals. Their goal is to provide a faster, safer, and more efficient way to navigate congested cities or remote locations. The Zeva Zero is more than just an aircraft. It's a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. Boom Supersonic XB-1, the Baby Boom. The Boom Supersonic XB-1, also known as Baby Boom, is a groundbreaking supersonic demonstrator. It's designed to pave the way for the future Boom Overture airliner. This aircraft is a 1/3 scale model, featuring 3 powerful General Electric J85-15 engines. With these engines, the XB-1 can reach speeds of Mach 2.2 and offers a range of over 1,000 nautical miles. It's 68 feet long, with a 17-foot wingspan, showcasing advanced aerodynamics. These include a chined forward body and swept trailing edges, contributing to its sleek, high-performance design. The 2-crew cockpit is designed for testing, though only one seat is fully developed at this stage. The focus of the XB-1 is performance testing, making it a critical step in the development of supersonic passenger flights. The XB-1 also features innovative thermal control, using fuel as a heatsink to manage high-speed temperatures. This demonstrator is key in revolutionizing commercial air travel, aiming to bring back supersonic passenger flights. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet is a revolutionary eVTOL aircraft, designed for urban air mobility. This sleek, all-electric aircraft is a glimpse into the future of sustainable transportation. The jet features a carbon fiber composite fuselage, making it lightweight and strong. It can carry 1 pilot and up to 6 passengers. This makes it a perfect fit for short-distance air travel within cities. With a cruise speed of up to 155 miles per hour and a range of around 155 miles, it covers a lot of ground, or air, quickly. This speed and range make it ideal for city commutes or regional travel. One of the standout features of the Lilium Jet is its quiet operation. Traditional helicopters can be quite loud, but the Lilium Jet is designed to be 6 to 7 times quieter during takeoff. This is thanks to its 36 electric vectored thrust fans, which help reduce noise significantly. The aircraft's canard wings aren't just for show, they enhance its aerodynamic efficiency, allowing it to fly smoother and more efficiently. This helps conserve energy while still providing a fast, comfortable ride. Inside, the jet offers larger windows, giving passengers a chance to enjoy stunning views while flying. Whether you're crossing a city skyline or traveling to a nearby region, the experience is both scenic and quiet. Safety is at the heart of the Lilium Jet's design. Its distributed electric propulsion system provides redundancy, meaning multiple engines work together for enhanced reliability. If one engine faces an issue, others can compensate, keeping the jet in the air safely. The Lilium Jet represents a major leap forward in urban transportation. With its sleek design, quiet operation, and focus on safety, it's paving the way for a future of efficient and sustainable air travel. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is the world's first commercial space line. It is dedicated to making space travel accessible to everyone. The company operates from Spaceport America in New Mexico, a state-of-the-art facility designed for spaceflight. Their suborbital spacecraft, the VSS Unity, is launched in a unique way. Instead of taking off like a traditional rocket, it is carried into the sky by a specially designed airplane called White Knight 2. Once at a high altitude, the VSS Unity detaches and fires its engines to reach the edge of space. Virgin Galactic has already completed multiple successful flights. Passengers on board get a rare, life-changing experience. From space, they can witness the beauty of Earth like never before, a phenomenon known as the overview effect. This perspective often inspires a deeper connection to our planet and its future. But Virgin Galactic's mission goes beyond just tourism. They aim to spark interest in science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM. Through educational programs and space-inspired initiatives, they hope to inspire the next generation of innovators and problem solvers. This groundbreaking effort is a huge step forward for commercial space travel. Virgin Galactic is turning the dream of going to space into a reality for many, paving the way for new possibilities in space exploration and innovation. Huge Boom Supersonic. Boom Supersonic is set to revolutionize air travel with its cutting-edge technology. The company is making huge strides with its XB-1 demonstrator aircraft and the upcoming Overture supersonic airliner. The XB-1 recently made history by reaching an altitude of 25,400 feet and achieving speeds of Mach 0.82, bringing it closer than ever to breaking the sound barrier. But the real game-changer is the Overture. Designed to carry 65 to 88 passengers, it will fly at speeds up to Mach 1.7, drastically reducing travel times and making supersonic flights more accessible. With its innovative design and advanced technologies, Boom Supersonic is paving the way for a faster and more sustainable future in air travel. The goal? To bring commercial supersonic travel back, offering a new way to journey long distances in record time. The future of air travel is fast, efficient, and exciting with huge Boom Supersonic.